Hey guys, this is Trade School 101. Today we're going to be looking at Robinhood Markets stock, or short for Hood. And this stock's been, getting some good movement recently, so I just decided to take a quick look at it because I see a good opportunity here for you guys. And if you guys do see this video in time, be sure to capitalize on that if you're doing call options or trading stocks at all. We will be also looking at futures and cryptocurrency down the line, but as of now, since the stock market's been so crazy, I just want to give you guys what I can on stocks. So right now I'm showing you the chart, the bare naked chart. I hid the drawings. I'll put them back on towards the end of the video, but for now I just want to take a quick look. We made these three bullish bars up. This is April 13th. Made their way all the way back down. They were able to hold this low of this last green bar. It's great. Made these huge 2 bars. Now, it's great that they were able to pull back. These are super bullish. I suspect that they're not going to be able to get through this bottom right here on this green bar. If they are, they're going to go lower and potentially even test this low. From what I believe is what's going to happen is they're going to push from this level around this green bar and be able to make it much higher. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly what price I believe it can get to and all that fun stuff. But let's just take a look at the drawings now. I know it's a lot, guys, so bear with me. Let's just make it simple. Let's get rid of this yellow line. And what is this green line? Oh yeah, that's important, but let's get rid of that for now. Let's just make it simple, guys. We're going to look at just the recent history. We're projecting a certain distance that they can go. This is saying that they can get here. Now, they can definitely get higher, and I drew a few lines here, and I'm going to explain exactly what I mean by these lines. This is a zone that we have that they need to pass and break this bar in order to keep going higher. Now, that's going to be the fun part once they get to this area. Will they get here? I genuinely, it's like 99% in my mind. Obviously, we need to see what happens on Monday. What I believe can happen from this point is they can just start going. From this price, they can just start going up. What they can also do is come and test this area again and push off. Notice how they came into this area on this bar and they rejected it. They can start going now, or they can test it again and again and then go. Alternatively, if they are able to start closing past this zone, they'll fall through this low for sure. There is a target on this low, so they should be able to get through this eventually. But due to the current state of what they're showing here, I believe they are going to make their way up here into this zone. And there is a target up here as well. I don't know if they're going to be able to get all the way up there. Now, this is the daily chart, so guys, just keep in mind this isn't like it's going to get up here the next day. No, this could take weeks or days. It depends. They were obviously able to get up here within 2 days. We don't know how fast they're going to be able to get up here. It depends on what they want to do. But the longer they stall in this area, the bigger the chance they'll fall through here. But current prediction is that they'll get to approximately, let's call it 100. That's what the current prediction is. Can they get higher? Yes, I think they can definitely get up here as well. 115, and that would set them through this target over here, which kind of makes sense. So we need to see what happens in the upcoming days, but for now, let's just call it 100, which is still significant. With a call option, guys, it's a significant move. Right now price is at 82. If it's able to go up there from here, that's about an 18-point move. That's not a bad profit. But yeah, I definitely, I would say, guys, if they're going to be able to start closing past this level right here, this one right here that I drew, once they start closing above there, they're going to test this. And, I believe that they'll be able to get through here, but we got to see what happens. They also could test it, fall back a little, come back. We just need to see what type of motion they're going to do. Monday's going to be important because we're going to see how they react to the zone. We definitely want to see them start pushing and break this high and then continue pushing until they, eventually get up here. So, yeah, we do have a target up here and up here, so we're definitely going to have to be looking out at that. Now let's just take a quick look at some other charts. 1 hour chart. Yeah, so there is a target on this low as well at 73. Now, it all depends on how they're going to play this. They're pretty low already down the board. If they're able to hold this area here, maybe they'll come up, test this, come back down. That will be, strong to the down, and we'll definitely see them through here. We could see some rejection around this bar, I would say, around the low here. Now, alternatively, I did say that they can make it back up on the daily chart, right? That's that rejection we're seeing on the hourly from this zone. They're getting that rejection. Now, we definitely need to see a big push up, get through this high for us to go that way. But yeah, we just got to see what happens. I'll be here probably in a few days to let you guys know what happened with this stock. But yeah, current prediction is if they're able to hold this green bar, we're gonna see them close to 100, possibly to 115. But yeah, thanks for checking in with me, guys, and coming in for your prediction for the market. Hope you guys are doing good with your trading, and best of luck.